Want to track social media engagement seamlessly and make better business decisions? In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to track social media engagement using Vendasta, one of the most powerful tools for business owners and marketers. First off, I'll quickly mention that you can access Vendasta completely free, along with some exclusive bonuses, through the first link in the description below, so don't miss out. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is connect your social media accounts to Vendasta. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter, the platform integrates smoothly with multiple channels. Once you've connected your accounts, you'll have a centralized dashboard to monitor your social media performance across all platforms at once. Next, let's talk about engagement metrics. Vendasta gives you detailed analytics on likes, shares, comments, and overall engagement rates. You can dive into each post to see exactly how it's performing. Tracking these engagement metrics will help you understand your audience better and tweak your strategy accordingly. The third thing you should know is that Vendasta allows you to track engagement over time. This feature lets you compare performance month over month or week over week. If you're managing multiple social media accounts, it's an absolute game changer to see how your engagement fluctuates and adjust your content to improve results. Next thing, reports. Vendasta makes reporting easy. You can create custom reports showing key engagement stats that are most relevant to your goals. Whether you're looking to report to a team, client, or just keep tabs on your progress, these reports save you time and make the whole process more streamlined. And now for the fourth thing, social listening. With Vendasta's social listening tools, you can track mentions of your brand or key topics. This lets you see what people are saying in real time, so you can jump into conversations and respond quickly. Social listening is a powerful tool for managing your brand reputation and tracking sentiment. The last thing I want to highlight is the ability to benchmark your performance. Vendasta lets you compare your engagement levels to industry standards and competitors. This is crucial because it gives you insight into how well you're doing compared to others in your space, and it can inform your strategy moving forward. So, to quickly recap, connect your social media accounts, track detailed engagement metrics, monitor performance over time, generate custom reports, use social listening, and benchmark against competitors. That's how you track social media engagement using Vendasta. Before we wrap up, don't forget that you can access Vendasta completely free with exclusive bonuses through the first link in the description. I also want to remind you that this video mentioned an extended free trial, so you can start using all these features right away.